to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne came out with a message, which is a letter basically. And he was saying that, he hopes that this letter will find all well. And he's writing with a heavy heart, filled with regret and remorse for the pain that he has caused everyone. And he's asking for, people to accept his sincere apologies for his thoughtlessness and the actions, you know, and the hurt that he has inflicted upon them. And he is saying that he's really disappointed, you know, because of what he's done. And he's basically coming out, to say that, if this was his last day, then he would have, already apologized to the people that he had allegedly wrong. And so he wanted to clear things up as he is still having his own personal issues, in his life, because we know that um, he has battled a few things, on the medical field, medically. And so he's, you know, doing things the other way. And he's hoping that, the persons that he mentioned, such as he mentioned Miss D, mentioned Tina, Marcia, Lorraine, he went ahead and he mentioned Chris, Hamar, and other people as well. So go catch the video to hear what he has to say as well, because he said that he went ahead and he also tried to reach out to Miss D or Donna, basically via message, from one of his phones. However, the message had bounced back. It didn't go through. But he said that he's really feeling happy that he was able to come out and apologize for what he did openly and was able to do so. And now he's feeling much better. He's feeling like a weight has been lifted from off his shoulders. So go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, I wish you a wonderful day. And sometimes apology is indeed needed. If it's too late, it's for the person that's receiving the apology to decide. However, on the person that's given the apologies end, it's a weight removed. And so they're going to feel better about themselves, even if the person on the other end does not accept the apology. So keep that in mind, everyone, and have yourselves a beautiful rest of the day.
Even more worse than what, like, not listen, just the only thing I cannot be bothered, like, yeah, my kidney function has dropped tremendously. That's why now I just stopped doing a lot of things. I don't have a lot of things anymore. I don't have sugar. I don't, yeah. So that pushed me. And bear in mind, a lot of people have been passing away. A lot of people have been passing away. I'm like, God, if it comes my time, I want to know I left this world with no burdens on my shoulder. So that pushed me to message Plankabas, and message Plankabas was what I did. And I know for a fact a lot of you on my page right now who claims you are with me, you are not with me. This is why you're over here continuously disrupting my live stream. You people are evil to me. You're very evil to me. And this is why I've chosen to leave you guys alone. Do you guys realize ever since I told myself I'm stopping this mess, a lot of them have left me and gone elsewhere. And where they are right now, they speak so ill of me. I know for a fact some of you are from there, are coming here and harassing me too, because you think you're gonna get back to where I don't want to go to. No, I will not. Listen, let's just jump into this whole apology thing. Please share my live stream. Like seriously, no shares. Let me share myself on my other page. Let me share myself. 1 second. No, I have to, because I know now I blocked a lot of them for the right reasons. I did. I blocked them for the right reason. They never meant me well. All they wanted to do was encourage me to hate people. That's what they wanted. And I don't care. It's the truth. Even the last apology I got from Plankabas, honestly, in my heart, I wanted to accept it, but they're like, Dwayne, it's no apology. So, anyways, let bygones be bygones. It is what it is. First and foremost, I want to thank Plankabas. I want to thank Plankabas for taking time. First and foremost, I want to take the time to thank Plankabas for acknowledging my message. She didn't have to. She really didn't have to. Because bear in mind, I really have done I've done some not so nice things out here. So I know she didn't have to. I know that. Right? But for the fact that she, not her daughter clearly saw the message and replied to me, and the fact that she replied to me and said she's going to tell her mother, I said, thank you. From here on out, I won't bother her anymore, which means I won't be messaging anymore, right? I had no idea she was going to take to a live stream and talk about it, because in my heart, I just wanted to let go and move on. I'm on my live stream. I can't speak to her right now. Whatever you want, I can't help. I can't. All right, cool. Everyone's talking, and I should talk too. I can speak too. I can speak, because I want to set the record straight. I'm going to talk. So, let me acknowledge Plankabas for acknowledging my message. She didn't have to. But she did. And the way she did it was taken to her live stream. And again, I didn't know it was gonna. I had no idea she was gonna go on her live stream and talk about it. I perhaps wanted to have a private read, maybe reply to me, and left it right there. However, she felt compelled to take to her live stream and talk about it. And I want to say thank you, because honestly, I got what I wanted, and now I know in my heart, like, I can move on in my life in a manner that's pleasing, long as you people let me be in peace and tranquility, especially the ones here harassing me, especially you. I wish I know the country was in. I'll block you. I'll block your country, so you can never see my page again. And you see, it's only because I don't want the good to suffer for the bad why I'm not blocking most countries around the world right now. I can block you from seeing my page. I hope you know this. I hope you know. I hope you know. This is not no threat. It's actually a promise. I can block your country and block your entire country too when none of you see my page. I would encourage you, leave me alone. Go about your business. It's that simple. Go on about your business. What's wrong with you? You people, you don't realize how Facebook works. We can block countries. We can block entire countries too. Ask Yolanda. I blocked her country yesterday and she was crying to people. They called me. Dwayne, what happened to your page? I blocked the country because I don't know who to trust. So I blocked a lot of your countries. Ask her. She's right there. Ask her. Yes, Nicole said you was upset you can't see my page. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start. Nicole said you was upset you can't see my page. Don't start. No bother with it. Take it for what it is. Okay, let's continue this apology. Plankabas, I know for a fact it will never be the same like how it once used to be. I know this. However, that doesn't mean both sides can't move on in a manner that's pleasing to us. You know? All I wanted was a peace of mind. And I feel like now I've gotten it. And, you know, I actually got what I wanted. So I know for a fact we will never be like how we once were. Yolanda, move on. Move on. You are distracting me, girl. Done. Done, Yolanda. Done. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. Done. Anyways, I know for a fact it will never be the same like how it once used to be. But I know you care about me. I know this. Because if you didn't, you would have never taken to your live stream. I know that for a fact. And I know for a fact, I also care about you too. Because if I didn't, I would have not taken time and went through so many hurdles to reach you. Bear in mind, you blocked my numbers. And I had to reach another number. So I know I cared about you too. And for peace sake and everything that's happening around me, I felt in my heart it was warranted to message you and come to you humbly and sincerely too, you know. And I'm glad I did it. I'm very glad I did the things I did, cause it was the right thing to do. I'm glad. Okay. You know, Plankabas, I didn't do this again because I wanted you to come out here and apologize again, you know. But I'm glad you did, and I too will accept your apology and accept it this time wholeheartedly without peep in my ears. And when I say peep in my ears, I mean unscrupulous people who are hateful people and they wanted nothing good for me in my life. Dwayne, it's no apology. Well, I'm accepting this one. And I accept the one before too. Right? And the other one before that too. I will accept that one too. Right? I am sorry we've gotten here. I don't know how. In fact, I do know how we got here. It's because of evil people in my ear. But it's fine now. I am where I want to be now, Blankabas. I promise you. So thank you for publicly saying again, Dwayne, for the first, second, and third, perhaps fourth time, you are sorry. And I sincerely accept your apology. I too, Blankabas. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for whatever I've caused you, whatever pain I've caused you. I really am sorry. I wish I could take them back, but I can't. You know, it's already out there. It's already out there. So all I can do now is move forward in the manner that's pleasing to myself. And again, I'm truly, truly sorry for anything I said to you that hurt you or your family. My apologies one more time. I hope from here on out we can all move on in a manner that's pleasing to us. And I keep on telling you, I will block your countries. I will block out all of your countries and just leave one country to watch me. One country alone. I don't care about numbers. Keep harassing me and let's see how long you will see my page for. Let's see how long you will see my page for. Right? You people have been a thorn in my back. You have. And you know it too. Plankabas, I wish you nothing but the best as well. I wish you nothing but the best as well. I will block your countries, Nicole. I will block all of your countries and leave one. You see? So I guess I'm gonna have to block your countries now. Oh, turn on your screen recording because I made this live stream. Plankabas, I wish you nothing but the best too in your endeavors and your future development as well. I wish you nothing but the best too. You know, thank you for wishing me good health. Thank you for like being considerate. Don't feel sorry for me. Don't feel sorry for me. I don't want your sorry. I don't want your pity. I am fine now. I'm fine. I'm doing much better now. Thank you, Blanca Wasani, for wishing me well. And I too wish you well as well. Moving forward in anything you have going on. Just do you and be the good person that you are. You know, people are saying, I want to be back in Plankabas space. And Plankabas, you made reference of it too. And you said, come back into space. I never once extended my apology to you because I wanted to come back in Plankashop. I did so because a lot of things happened around me. And again, I had to. And this doesn't mean I want to come back in Plankashop. It's the same thing a lot of you think. I want to go back in Plankashop. I don't. I want to be by myself. My journey started in Plankashop. It does not necessarily mean it has to end with Plankashop. I can move on by myself. I have enough in me to move on by myself without feeling like I'm being micromanaged. I'm fine. I'm fine. I really don't want to go back to Plankashop. And Plankabas, I'm glad you also made it clear to your followers. This doesn't mean you're going to let me back into Plankashop because I promise you, I did not want to come into Plankashop. I did not. I wanted to extend my gestures to you because you deserve them. You did deserve it. Right? So that is why I did the things I did. Nothing else, nothing more. I know for a fact I've hurt you, vice versa, but I'm not gonna dwell on I'm just not gonna dwell. That's not my thing. You see, sometimes it's better the past remains in the past, and we move on in a manner that is pleasing. And I'm going to move on from everything. I won't regurgitate. I will not regurgitate anything that's happened in the past. I'm just going to move forward and do so in a manner that's pleasing to me. And I would encourage you to do the same too. Clearly, you're doing it already. You're doing fine. So just keep pushing, and that's it about that. But I promise people, I do not want to go back in Blankenship. I don't. I don't want to go back in Blankenship. I don't. And that's not the God I love. I want to be by myself. We can appreciate each other from a distance, and that is fine by me. We can love each other with a long spoon, and that is also fine by me too. On the ear me planks, me know someone over right now. I don't want to come back. I don't want to come back. I don't. I'm fine over here by myself. But respect is reciprocal. You can respect me and I can respect you. It's not that hard. It's not hard. It's not. All I wanted was a peace of mind. And I just feel like that there are forces on social media who don't want to leave me be so I can be free to like live my life in a manner that's pleasing to me. Bear in mind, I already told you people I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck right here, so I'm stuck. Most days, I'm stuck right here, so if I don't have to go to the doctors or something, I don't leave my house. And now my doctors are contemplating putting me on dialysis. Why should I continue this over here, sir, when my life is messy over here, sir? Wait, that don't make no sense. It's better I leave it alone. I'm leaving it alone. And I feel like you people just leave me alone too. Leave me alone too. Go. Let who wanna come here come. And that's just it. I don't want nothing else. My God. I am good. Karen, people are harassing me. They're harassing me. You don't get it. And I don't think about people. They're thinking about me because my page is always on their agenda to come and harass me. That's what I'm talking about. You see right now? That's what they're doing right now. Being disrespectful.